Nehemiah, a cupbearer to the Persian king Artaxerxes, learned of the dire state of his homeland's walls and the distress of his people. Driven by a profound sense of duty and a calling from God, he sought the king's permission to return to Jerusalem. Upon arrival, Nehemiah was met with opposition from neighboring adversaries who mocked and threatened him and his fellow builders. Despite these challenges, he remained steadfast in his purpose, rallying the people to work together tirelessly, day and night. With unwavering faith, Nehemiah and his dedicated workers restored the city's defenses, brick by brick. Their perseverance and unity in the face of adversity exemplified the power of faith and community. As the walls of Jerusalem rose, so did the spirit of the people, and the city was once again fortified against external threats. Nehemiah's story is a testament to the enduring strength that comes from unwavering belief in a higher purpose and the resilience to overcome obstacles. It stands as a timeless example of leadership, faith, and the power of collective effort in the face of adversity.